Welcome back to the channel. If you're creating videos but still not getting views, this struggle is going to hit hard. In this struggle, I'll show you why uploading videos is not just about clicking publish. You'll see how wrong timing can completely kill reach. I'll also share the mistakes I made as a beginner so you don't repeat them. If you're serious about growing, this struggle will change how you upload forever. I had my video ready, but uploading it was my next big struggle. I thought uploading a video was the final step, but I was wrong. Timing, settings, and one small mistake can kill your reach. I stared at this button thinking, what comes next? I didn't know what title would work or what would fail. How long should the description be? What should I write? I thought tags alone would make my video viral. This single option scared me the most. I thought tags alone would make my video viral. My first video stayed hidden and I didn't even realize. I didn't even know when to make my video public. Then I understood. YouTube needs clarity, not fear. I made a simple upload checklist and everything changed. One step at a time, no rush. I uploaded whenever I felt free, not when my audience was online. I stopped guessing and started scheduling my videos at peak time. Schedule option selected. Scheduling helped me stay consistent with voice. This graph changed everything. It shows the exact time my audience is active. That's when I felt like a real creator. If uploading confuses you too, you're not alone. Same content, better timing, better reach. Uploading my first video almost made me quit YouTube. I can generate that next. I'll break every YouTube setting step by step. Stay with me. Tip 1. Never upload blindly. Most beginners upload videos randomly. Always check YouTube Studio Analytics audience when your viewers are on YouTube. This shows exact active hours. Even good content dies with bad timing. Tip 2. Use schedule option and post at peak audience time. Best beginner times general, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. weekdays, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. weekends. Uploading instantly is a mistake for new creators. But always trust your analytics more. Tip 3. One good upload is not enough. Upload on same days, same time, every week. And YouTube learns your pattern and pushes your content. YouTube checks performance right after upload. Tip 4. Be active in comments. Reply fast. Share link once on WhatsApp or socials. Tip 5. Don't edit after upload. Changing title, description, or thumbnail again and again confuses the algorithm. Upload when your audience is online, not when you are free. Timing helps reach, but content keeps viewers. Tip 6. If retention is low, improve. Clear audio, simple editing, convey what you want next, SEO or zero views bias. Why this will go viral? No keyword research? How SEO decides reach? Comment below. Why videos don't rank? Wrong titles and descriptions? Most beginners don't understand titles, keywords, and thumbnails, so YouTube never pushes their content. If this saved you from making the same mistake, like this video, share it with someone starting YouTube, and subscribe because we're solving these struggles together.